if you look at the market from my point of view, this is the only decision we can take. We have also the KKS coding, but I think that's also not a decision to us because 81346 is the next asset register. So that was really easy. The more difficult was to take the product aspect.
Okay.
But I think still the product aspect was the best for us. Because we don't maintain, like I said, the function. We maintain the product for the predetermined maintenance program.
So let me just reiterate here for all our audience that see 81346 has got 3 different aspects: function, location, and product. And in case of Juniper, they have emphasized more on a product aspect, and that's also one of the ways that you can approach 81346.